This is 3D ToonTalk, and if I turn on this house, robots inside are generating these little silly sentences. And if we want to see how it's doing it, we could open up the house and we could tell it to start running, and we could watch the robots doing it. But they're running at full speed, I mean, as fast as they can right now. But if we change it to 1x, or something, we could see the robot picking up a number, putting it on his workbench, getting another workbench, picking up um, a box, splitting it, putting that in there. We could speed it up eightfold and watch as it runs.